Today's June the 18th, and this is the Russian aircraft carrier. I bought it for the great-grandkids. Ha 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 ha. Got reverse on it too. All right. Ha 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 ha. I can't get very close. Because of these weeds. Oh, don't get tied up in them weeds. There we go. Full speed ahead.
That is an aircraft carrier.
Yeah. Got helicopters and airplanes and everything.
Oh. You gotta listen toward the port.
Uh-oh.
Probably got some weeds in the front.
Yeah, at full speed it slows down.
Can you reverse it?
Yeah.
That might clear the front.
I didn't think about that.
Famous last words.
All right.
Sounds like it's laboring.
Yeah, I probably got some weeds in there. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get out of there.
Is the battery on the left side?
No, it's right in the middle.
Okay.
This, yeah, this is what you get for $117, and for this little, whoa, this little lake. All right, here we go. I think I can. Come on now, go backwards here. Yeah, I got that stuff in there.
Won't back up?
Huh?
You won't back up?
No, it's got moss. Ooh. Yeah, this is not really the place to float it.
Yeah, there's too much on here. That grass. 360.
Oh yeah, look at all that.
You think that's it? I think that might cause a problem. I think you got Wonder Lake there. I'm surprised it turned it off. Yeah.